Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can export contacts to vCard files on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on contacts at the bottom. Next, tap on the more button from the pop-up menu. Select manage contacts. Next, tap on import or export contacts. And then tap on export, then tap on internal storage, then tap on export, then tap on OK. Now just take a notice of the file name at the top here. At the moment it shows contacts underscore 002.vcf, so tap on OK. And if you go to your file managers, so we can swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on the Samsung folder, then tap on my files. And in here, you can see it will show you at the top here the contacts underscore 02.vcf files. Here are all the VCF file or the vCard files that you can import it back into this phone, or you can send it to your friend, which they can then import it into their phone. And that's it. So that is how you can export it. It is, I think it is in the downloads document. So let's open up this file. So I'm going to select, hold and select, and then tap on more. And then tap on details, and we can see where it is stored. It is stored in internal storage download folder, so it is in fact in the download folder. So internal storage download, and in here you'll be able to find your vCard files. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.